Here's another Wusik station AD tutorial video for wave sequencing. So what I'm going to do is on the initializing of the Wusik station AD, you can see here the blank presets. I'm going to select sample player plus wave sequencer. That's going to add a sample player layer with no sounds and a MIDI processor, which is the wave sequencer. If I press M here on the MIDI processor, it opens the wave sequencer. If I press A again, it goes back to layer A. And here I'm going to add the first sound. So I just click on load sound and I can select the sound I want. I just press twice on the sound I want to load. So it has loaded the sound. And I can click again and select insert new sound, or I can use the middle click to insert a new sound. So now I have two sounds, analog voices and ARP multi-sound, and I can add a bit of release to my envelope. So right now it's playing both sounds because my wave sequencer has no steps, so it's bypassed. I have to click this square here and select add steps to the sequencer. I'm going to add 2 steps. And I'm going to adjust the speed so it's very slow. And on the second step, I can right click and select ARP multi-saw, or I can click and hold and drag and select the second sound. And on the X fade, I can also click and drag, or I can press 0 on the keyboard, and it's going to add 100% to each step X fade. So that's my first wave sequencer. And I'm going to go to the X layer, which is the effects list. I'm going to add a chorus and a stereo delay. I can click on layer A to go back to the sample layer. And I'm going to add yet another sound. So insert new sound. So now I have 3 sounds. I'm going to go back to the MIDI processor and add another step. And this time I'm going to add the third sound. Also add the crossfade. And I can change how the loop of the sequencer works. Here where it says LP, loop start, I'm going to select the second step. So now it plays the first one and then loops the second and third one. And I can also select here where it says single or multi-sounds. I can put multi-sound, and I'm going to select the first sound with a fine-tuning deviation. And I can do the same thing for the second step, but instead I'm going to add a chorus tuning, 1 octave above, a bit of fine tuning. And another thing you can do if you click here on emoji sound again, you can add a delay to a song, so it starts after some period of time. So that's pretty much it. What I can do now, I can duplicate the steps. I can select the steps with the plus button. Then I can duplicate, select the steps. And then what I can do is add a bit of deviation on the pitch. And I'm going to change a bit the sound, the multi sound. So you can get some more complex sounds. And you can also use random for the steps. So they don't always play. You can just click and drag and put a different value in here. So you get the idea. You can do some very complex wave sequencing with this. And well, I'm going to do another video doing some other things. And for this video, that's all I want to show. So thanks for watching.